Hi guys, Ready Set RC, and today we are testing out our Ovonic batteries. These are 3S LiPos, 5800 mAh, and you can see them there, guys, the Ovonic batteries. These are actually T-plugs or D's connection, so I'm using an adapter on them. I normally run XT90s. Even with this RC, I would have to use an adapter anyway, but figured I'd throw it into Felony and see what it can do. We're running our Power Hobby GPS today, guys. Hopefully you guys can see that GPS is zeroed out. How's the trims? Feels like it's pulling to the left. Much better. Let's see what these Ovonics do. Hopefully that's coming up on the camera. Just did a quick run with it. But you can see we're getting 56 mile per hour on these Ovonics, and I'm not even pushing them. I haven't even pushed this car yet. That's amazing, guys.